This video, we will learn about the chemical formula. What are chemical formula? There are elements and the compounds. This carbon and hydrogen are the two different elements present in a molecule. But the number in which they are present, like C6H6, their ratio of the carbon and hydrogen present in the number is called the chemical formula. Now, there are two types of chemical formula. Number one, empirical formula and molecular formula. The first type is empirical formula. Empirical formula shows minimum relative number of each type of atoms, called empirical formula. Also, it shows the simplest ratio of the elements of each atom present in a molecule, and it does not show the actual number. These carbon 6 and H6, this benzene C6H6 is it's the actual number of atom. But in the empirical formula, they are present in the simplest ratio form. I will tell you by now. Now, with the help of the example, you will understand more properly. Now, C6H6, C6H6. It is the molecular formula of benzene. Now, it is present in 6:6. To make it the simplest ratio, we have to divide it by the number which is divisible by both. That is C6, which is 6. 6 ones are 6. Now, it is the simplest ratio, 1:1 comes. So, it is the 1:1 is the simplest ratio form of hydrogen and carbon. And it is the empirical formula. It is also called the empirical formula. Now, the second example is of glucose. Glucose have the molecular formula C6H12NO6, means 6:12:6. Now, we have to divide it by the number which is divisible by the third, which can be and become the simplest ratio. So that number is 6. To make it simplest, we have to make it the simplest ratio. We have to divide it by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. 2 that f. Now the simplest ratio is 1:2:1. So this is the simplest ratio form, and the empirical formula of the glucose is 1:2:1. Now, so the empirical formula of glucose is, here 2 will come, CH2O, and the simplest ratio is 1:2:1. Hope you people understand what actual the empirical formula is. Now, coming on to the molecular formula. The molecular formula shows actual number. That 1:2:1 was the simplest ratio. But the molecular formula shows the actual number of atoms of each element present in a molecule. Molecular formula is derived from empirical formula. Also, the molecular formula mass calculated by adding the atomic weight of its atom. It is calculated by adding atomic weight of the atom. Molecular formula of a compound may be same or multiple or empirical formula. Now, the example of molecular formula is C6H6 of benzene. It have 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. So, hydrogen molecular formula is an integral multiple, as the hydrogen molecular formula is 1. So, it may be integral multiple. These are the list of some molecules having empirical formula and molecular formula. First, see the molecular formula of carbon dioxide, CO2. And its empirical formula is also same. Glucose, we have discussed before that how we how we can find out the empirical formula from the molecular formula. Now the benzene C6H6, we have also discussed this before. Now the acetic acid CH3COOH is the molecular formula and its empirical formula is CH2O. Hydrogen peroxide has H2 and O2 molecular formula and the empirical formula is OH. Hope you people understand what actually the empirical formula, molecular formula and chemical formula is. If you have any query, so comment me below. I will explain.